Okay, I want to do just a fun little example here where we can use copying, actually not copying, sorry, comparing arrays with that string method, the join method. And to do that, we're going to do something called the konami code. So we're also going to practice adding and removing elements as well to an array. But the konami code was made famous in I think it started in the Contra game, this shooting game, whatever, old school one. And in the thing, yeah, famously used in Contra to give the players 30 lives instead of the standard 3. And you enter this code up, up, down, down, left, right, BA, and you'd get the 30 lives. Well, recently, Canada came out with a new $10 celebrating Canada's 150th, so 2017. They have this wonderful website with their Canadian bill, a $10 bill. And if you enter the Konami code, I forget what it is already, up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. So on this page, up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. Hopefully you can hear that. You unlock this secret code, and all of a sudden these $10 bills fall, and it plays a wonderful digital national anthem. It's beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna stop this. As fun as that is, you can continue to listen to it as long as you want. So I want to do a program, and I'm just gonna take my little sandbox here. Actually, maybe we should let's just take the web app template and copy and paste that. And I'm just going to rename it Konami code. Although we won't do the code, well, we could do the Konami code, but I think I'm going to do something a little shorter for testing purposes. Okay, so I just care in here, let's make that a little bigger for you. Konami code, wonderful. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to store let key codes be assigned an empty array. Okay, and then every time I press a key, what am I doing? Add event listener, key down, and we'll just have a key down handler. Function key down handler, and we need the event information because remember console.log event dot. You can go key code or code. I think code is the more modern one, and we'll see what that gives us. I'll save that. Go live. Hit F12 because that's where all of the action will be. And you can see already I hit F12 and it printed that out. So if I go up, arrow key up, if I press C is key C, 1 is digit 1, numpad 1, etc. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to keep a record of the sequence of keys, and I'm going to store those key codes inside of this array. So instead of printing it out, I'm going to go key codes.push, remember that's how we can add to the end of the array, event.code. And then just to check what's happening, let's print out key codes, just to see what that array looks like. Alright, so now when I press a key, if I want to spell Mr. I hit the shift key to do a capital M dot Veldkamp. So as I type, it adds these things, right? So I had the shift key to do a capital M, R dot VELDKAMP. Okay, awesome. And this will continue to grow and grow and grow and grow. And maybe what I want is I want to spell, this is what I want, code. If I type the word code, that's going to be my secret code that something will happen on the page. Okay, the $10 bills will fall down, etc. So in order to do that, if I want my secret code to be four key codes long, I need to remove things as well. So I want to keep this array of key codes so that the maximum value is 4. So one way to do that is I'm going to push the new code to the end, but I want to remove the oldest key, which would be at the beginning of the array. So I could say, hey, if keycodes.length is greater than 4, then I want to remove the first, as in the oldest, element. And maybe I should add a comment here, add current key code to end of array. And here I'm removing the first element, the oldest one. And to remove the first one, I always forget, I think it's shift. Keycodes.shift. And unshift was to Anyway, to add to the beginning. Let's see if that works. Save that. And now I can type hi. Oops, hello. Got to type here. Hi there, my name is. Awesome. So notice it grew up to 4, but as soon as I hit 4, as soon as I entered the hi there, I added the E. I lost the H, right? Got bumped off, and the I moved down, the T moved down, the H moved down, and I added on to the E at the end. So now as I type, if someone enters the sequence C-O-D-E, it should now spell code, or key-C, key-O, key-D, key. Okay, so now that we've got that set up, I need to check the value of this array, right? So really, I want to go down here now, and I want to say check if key codes is the secret code, and in this case, the secret code is just code. Okay, so to do that comparison, remember, our initial thought is just saying, okay, well, couldn't I just go if key codes is equal to array key C, comma, key O, D would be next, and then E like that, right? Because isn't that what it prints off? Key C, key O, key D, key E. And say, hey, if that equals it, then maybe I'll just do an alert. Secret code entered. Wonderful. Okay, let's see if that works. So if I type here, C, O, D, and E, and no alert message, and nothing happened because this array is stored in memory somewhere, and key codes is pointing to another array stored in memory somewhere else, and they may have the exact same values, but they do not equal the same thing. So, easiest way, remember, do that dot join, which will convert key codes into a string, and I might as well just, well, let's just do dot join here too. And that'll take this array and convert to a string, and then I will do a checking for equality on the strings. And then hopefully it will work. COD, secret code entered, and magical $10 bills could fall down, and you could change the colors of your website, and right, yeah, maybe I could do that. I could select all paragraphs and make them something. In this case, maybe I'll just do, what do I want to do? Document.body.style.background color, I hope this works, is assigned purple. Let's see if that works. I have no idea. CODE, secret code entered, and purple background. Anyway, you can do whatever you want. The whole idea is, right, we saw this review of how to add elements to the end with the dot push, right, adding the code, key code to the end, and then being able to remove as well based on the length. And then, of course, that comparison, right, to check if the arrays have the same values. A simple strategy is to convert them to strings, and then you can compare them, and something can happen. Okay, hope that made sense. Just a little example of this comparison in operation for our wonderful Konami codes. All right, that's it. Take care, and see you in the next video.